Hi, I'm Fiona, the physio from pelvicfloorexercise.com.au, and today we're going to have a quick look at how to put your PFXA together and how to use it. So you have your handpiece and the tubing and the anal sensor. So we attach the tubing into the handpiece and clicks into place, and then we attach the tubing into the anal sensor. Once you've done that, you need to zero the device by turning the red dial anti-clockwise until it comes down to zero. Then apply some lubricant, usually a water-based is the best, to the anal probe, and it usually works best if you're lying on your side, to then insert the sensor into the anus. It will generally self-insert once you do a little bit of gentle pressure. Try to bear down a little bit as you try to insert it, and it will slip in quite easily up to about the collar level. At that point, the pressure that the muscles in the rectum are creating will give you a reading on your dial. That's the resting pressure of your muscles. So take a note of that, and then using the dial again, we need to now take it clockwise and turn it until the dial comes down to zero again. And then you're ready to start your exercises. From there, you start to squeeze and you'll see the little red dial moving up and down, and that will give you feedback as to whether you're doing a contraction in the beginning, but also how well you're holding that contraction. So if your muscles are quite weak, you'll start to get a squeeze, but it might start to slide down quite quickly as the muscles fatigue. So you can see that and increase your effort to try and hold the contraction. Once you've finished, remove the sensor, wash it in warm soapy water, and then store your device in the case provided. Thanks for listening and watching. If you'd like any further information or have any questions, please feel free to email us on info@pelvicfloorexercise.com.au.